Attention passengers for flight 452 to Paris, please proceed to gate 24.
Emily, is this the right gate?
I'm not sure. Let me check the board.
The signs are so confusing. Hey, Emily, what's wrong?
I can't find my flight.
It's okay, I'm here.
Thank you.
You go left, I'll go right.
Okay, Dad.
See you soon!
Excuse me, sir. I'm lost.
Oh, where are you trying to go?
Gate 12.
It's this way. Excuse me, have you seen this child? Let me see. Yes, I think I've seen her. Let me check our logs.
Is this your child? You need to hurry.
Yes, that's him! We have to go now! Gate 17, you have 5 minutes. The gate's open. We have to go.
I know, but I'm so worried.
Stay calm. We're together.
Hold my hand.
We'll get through this. Together.
I can't believe we're finally going.
I know, right? This is gonna be great. Hey, listen, that's our final call to London.
Wait, is that him?
Oh my goodness, it is. Mom, Dad.
We're here, son.
Wow, look at all those planes.
So many. Where are they going?
Maybe on adventures. It's a big sky.
Cool. Wow, the airport is so big.
It is. Let's go get our boarding passes.
Welcome. Passports and ID, please. Excuse me, we're confused about the delay.
Is there any update on our flight?
I understand. Let me check for you. I'm sorry, boarding is now closed.
Oh no. Oh.
I'm sorry, that flight is overbooked. Overbooked? But we have tickets.
Can we get on the next one?
I can check. Stay close to us, sweetie.
Okay, Mom.
We'll be together. Just stay calm.
I will.
Okay, let's check the flight. Good idea. Is it on time?
Wow, is that our plane?
Yep. Looks like we're all set.
So exciting.
It is, buddy. Come here. Group hug. I love you both so much.
I love you too, Dad. We'll be waiting for you.
Let's find our gate.
I think it's this way.
Wow, so many planes. Wow, this airport is so big.
It is. Stay close to us.
We're almost at the gate.
Come on, we're almost there. Stay together. Keep up.
I'm trying.
That's it, buddy. Come on, team. We're almost there.
I can't wait to see what's next. This is so cool.
You bet. Come on, team. The adventure's waiting.
We're right behind you.
I can't wait to see the planes.
Let's take a break and share a snack.
Good idea. Family first.
I love you guys.
Us too, sweetie.